Respected listeners and students of BSc Part 2, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on that subject and topic titled as Carnot cycle, chosen from BSc Part 2 as Physical Chemistry Paper 3, selected from Unit 2nd as Thermodynamic 2. Dear students, although in our today's lecture titled mention on the blackboard Carnot cycle, the necessarily so many information, conceptual, fundamental equation and various kinds of process devices including heat engine, heat reservoir, heat source and any other kinds of state variable parameters of temperature, pressure or volume in Carnot cycle we expressed yesterday. Once again, I repeat the necessarily steps process in Carnot cycle. What is the purpose? What is the contribution of Carnot cycle thermodynamically? Dear students, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice towards that important fundamental theory of Carnot cycle which is used for the calculation of absorbed heat into that is of fractional work here. Here Carnot cycle has shown on the blackboard here. A to B denote here isothermal expansion process, step B to C denotes here that is of adiabatic expansion here, parallel to that is of A to B, I mean to say C to D, equal but in that is of opposite sign by means of compression. The same condition will be applicable here. The step C to D is known as isothermal compression. Similarly, in the case of D to A, which is just reverse, by means of negative sign, C to B adiabatically that is of compression here. Hence, by the connection of A to B, B to C, B is connected to C, C is connected to D, D is connected to a whole complete cycle is formed. This cycle is known as that is of Carnot cycle. Now, let us discuss and calculate one by one steps. In every step, first of all, I deliver here about that is of isothermal expansion here. What is the theory? The necessary theory steps involved for making of isothermal expansion A to B here. One important demonstration I am going to produce among the students here. The duster keeping on my right hand, assuming as heat source. Similarly, the container of chalk by demonstration, by experiment is assuming here, I am considering here as that is of heat engine. Now this heat source is now connected with that is of heat engine with that is of heat source. Listen to me once again. I am assuming here duster as heat source, chalk container box, small box, I am assuming here as heat engine. Now this heat source is now kept with the contact of heat engine and slowly allowed to expand heat source along with the contact of heat engine. Now after the expansion of heat source with that is of heat engine, we now observe the calculated value of work done is performed is written on the blackboard plus W1 is equals to RT2 ln V2 upon V1. After the expansion, I am reaching from the point of A to B. At point A, volume is symbolized by V1. At point B, volume is symbolized by V2. Since V2 is greater than V1, so that work done is performed and calculated as that is a positive sign, because V2 is greater than that is a V1. T2, isothermally assuming temperature T2 as a constant to possess as its higher value. Once again, try to understand. For the expansion of A to B, I mean to say for the stops of A to B here, I am assuming here this heat source is now kept in the contact of heat engine, slowly allowed to expand. Now calculate the value of work done performed, that is plus W1 is equals to RT2 ln V2 upon V1. Work done calculated will be positive here, because isothermally constant temperature T2 possesses as its higher value. We are reaching from point A to that is of B, and you know here the volume V1 is expressed at the point of A. Similarly, after reaching that is of point B, the volume is expressed as that is of V2. This curve A to B is known as that is of isothermal expansion here. Dear student, this value of work in the isothermal process we have calculated in thermodynamic 1, unit 1 of BSc part 2. You may directly write down here the value of positive sign here. Now let us simplify some important terms state regarding to that is of state variable. We also now apply into that is of fundamental equation of equation number 1. Once again, fundamental equation, work done is calculated from the expansion of from A to B, plus W1 is equals to RT2, T2 the temperature for isothermal expansion here, V2 volume at point 2, V1 at volume at point 1. Now we introduce fundamental state variables conditions here using first law of TD, that is delta Q is equals to du plus del W. Since temperature remains the constant by isothermally conditions, dT is equals to 0. You know by Joule's law, internal energy is dependent upon temperature but independent upon volume. Since dT is equals to 0, by Joule's law dT is also is equals to 0. I mean to say in this equation delta Q will be equals to del W. Delta Q is equals to, after putting down delta Q is equals to del W here. Now using appropriate notation regarding work and that is of heat here, delta Q here, you know normal notation. Now particular notation we replace here, del Q we assuming here by that is a plus Q2 here that is a plus Q2, del W is equals to plus W1 here. Once again, heat engine is kept into the contact of heat source is kept into the contact of heat engine, it absorbs plus Q2 heat. This heat engine absorbs plus Q2 heat, work done is performed by that is of plus W1. So you may write down here delta Q is equals to plus Q2, specific our notation is now replaced by del Q normal notation. Delta W normal notation for work is now replaced by specific W1 we assume here. You know that that is of Q2 is equals to plus W1 4, 5 and equation number that is of 2, 3. Put down the equation number 1 plus Q2 is equals to plus W1 is equals to RT2 ln V2 upon V1. V2 is greater than V1. The main fundamental base after the connection of heat source with that is of heat engine, it absorbs that is of plus Q2 heat and start to work. So what is the value of work after absorbing plus Q2 heat from heat source to heat engine? The value we calculate here that is of plus Q2 is equals to plus W1 here. Dear students, before in order to explain, in order to understand that is the next process that is of B2C here. Again B2C that is of adiabatically expansion here. In this step now disconnect that is of heat source now I produce here adiabatically atmosphere by demonstration here. Now I am using here such fabric here to produce adiabatically insulated, that is of atmosphere. Since duster I have which act just like a heat source, now disconnected here. For this step, that is of B to C. Now heat engine is now covered by, that is of non-conduction jacket here. Now slowly again very slowly allowed to expand by, that is of adiabatically. What is the work? We will calculate after the expansion under adiabatic condition. Tomorrow it will be symbolized by, that is of plus W2. Once again try to understand B2C process. In these steps, heat source is now disconnected. Now cover, that is of non-conduction jacket to produce as adiabatically conditions here. Slowly now inside allowed to expand here adiabatically. The work done tomorrow we will calculate by means of adiabatically expansion here plus W2 here. Thank you very much.